Hello Udo users and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will walk you through Udo SCH payments processing. So let's get started. So first of all you will download this application from the Udo App Store. So this is our App Store and you will download the application from here. This integration is perfect for automating the domestic payments in the US. It is supported in US currently. It supports SCH file formats and helps you to secure the payments with secure FTP to exchange the data, which makes it ideal for the businesses that handle the multiple transactions. And also, wherever you want to reduce the manual task, this is the best application for you. This is compliant with US banking standards. So now let's see how it works. So let's get started. As you download this application from the Udo App Store, first of all, we will do the FTP syncing. So for that, we have created the connection over here. So we will mention the name, URL, username, password, port, and the company details over here. Next is the store selection. So you will select the store, that is SCH Udo Records is my store name, which will be selected. Next is the export payment path. So wherever you want to export this payment, you will name the path over here. Next is the bank journal. So from wherever you want to export the payment, you will select it from the drop down. So I've selected the bank. I want to export my payments from bank to this path. So first of all, this step is done and now we will go to the check connection. And when you click over here, when all the details you entered over here seems correct, it will give you this green ribbon of connected, and this is the first step. Now whenever the payments are exported and it are done successfully, it will give you the log details over here when they are successfully uploaded to the FTP server, and if there will be any errors it will also be displayed over here. Now we will go to the invoicing and we will make some payments. So let's create a payment. So here we will create payment for a vendor. So this is the payment amount and I will add the memo over here. And here the bank journal is selected, payment method is selected from the drop down menu, and vendor bank account is selected. Please note that if there will be similar bank account, only then the batch payment will be exported. So now let's confirm this payment. Now let's create a new payment for another vendor. Let's say this one. I will create memo for the same, and the same things are selected over here, and let's confirm it. Now I've created two payments and now we will export the batch payment of both of them. So let's go over vendor and go to the batch payments. Let's create a new batch over here. Here we will select the batch type from the drop down menu, that is outbound. Here we will select the bank and the payment method, that is manual one. There are different payment methods which are available in the drop down. You will select as per the requirement. Next is the date is automatically fetched over here. Reference will be given over here once the payment is exported. Next is the payment purpose. So there are different payment purposes for any of the vendors and banks. So I have different payment purposes enlisted over here and we will select as per the requirement. Next is the service class code. So there are different service class codes over here, that is debit, credits, and both. So we'll select as per the requirement again, and now we will create the batch payment for the vendors. So whichever are in the pending stage will be seen over here, and we can export it. So now we'll select it and we will validate it. So now we have validated the payments in a batch, and now we will export it. So now as we exported, you can see it is exported successfully. So as you can see, this is the batch payment that is exported successfully, and this is the file. As you can open the file, you can see this is the PPD payroll, that is our payment purpose that we have selected. Here are name of the vendors, as you can see. This is how the payment is exported and it will be visible in your FTP server. So this is all about the video, and if you go to the FTP log details, you will see here as well that the payment is successfully exported, and this is the batch payment. This is all about the video. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@prajartechnologies.com. Thank you.